Hi, this is a hint video for numbers 1 and 2 on Unit 8 Worksheet 2. The first thing is the scaling for the graph. For the x-axis, you're going to be graphing displacement, which should go up to 0.25 meters. And the y-axis, you can scale that by using the ratio there for 1,000 newtons for every 1 meter. If you only have 0.25 meters here at the end of the x-axis, then that should correspond to a maximum y value of 250 newtons, because that will keep the same ratio of 1,000 newtons for every 1 meter. Another thing is, once you make the graph, you should realize that you can use the area under the curve to determine the amount of energy stored in the spring. And for number 2, you would have to go ahead and find the area under the trapezoid, so you can break that up into a rectangle and a triangle and add those two together to get the total area, and that would represent energy. The last thing is to think about units. The units you get will be newtons times meters, and you might question whether or not that is a valid unit for energy. It is, and it is also equivalent to joules.